well, that's perfectly fine. So, hi Mishka, hi Aditya, Ayushan, Laksh, Arjun, Gaurav, Ananya, Mahira, Adyan,
Which place is that?
Arnav, and
I'll color.
the parents' name, yeah, Mahira, Sapna. All right, welcome all. So, can you all tell me why do we celebrate Dussehra? Can anyone tell me?
Karo.
Why do we celebrate Dussehra? What is special about it? No, no one knows.
Karo.
Victory of Lord Rama.
Wonderful.
Lord Rama killed Ravan.
Wow, yes, Lord Rama killed Ravan on this very day. That is why we celebrate Dussehra. So, would you like to hear a story about it?
See,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up. All right. So, let's please mute yourself, everyone, for the story so that there won't be any.
Okay, ma'am.
We still have parents joining in, so let's start with Gaurav. Gaurav, are you there? Can you please sing the song for us you wanted to share with all of us? Do we have
Yes.
Gaurav?
Yeah, Gaurav is here. He's
Yeah. Hi, Gaurav.
Yeah, all are here.
Would you like to sing the song for us?
Sharada Nanam Dehi Sarvada Rebarupidi Sharada Bhakti Dehi Sarvada Premarupidi Sharada Bhakti Dehi Sarvada Dehi Dehi Sharada Nanam Dehi Sarvada Yoga Rupidi Sharada Yogam Dehi Sarvada Yoga Rupidi Sharada Yogam Dehi Sarvada Dehi Dehi Sarada Nanam Dehi Sarvada Mukti Rupidi Sarada Moksham Dehi Sarvada Mukti Rupidi Sarada Moksham Dehi Sarade Jaya Sarade Jaya Sarade Jaya Sarade Sarade Jaya Sarade Jaya Sarade Jaya Sarade Dehi Dehi Sarada Nanam Dehi Sarvada. Thank you.
Very good, Gaurav. Very good. So, everyone, can we have a big round of applause for Gaurav?
Yay!
Wonderful performance. Wonderful. So, starting with this beautiful performance, let's start with the story. Why do we celebrate Dussehra? So parents, please mute yourself and we are starting now.
Once upon a time, Raja Dashratha, along with his 3 queens, Kaushalya, Kekai, and Sumitra, used to rule on the kingdom of Ayodhya. He had 4 sons, among whom 2 were Rama and Lakshmana.
Rama got married to Sita, who was the princess of Mithila. On Kekai's insistence, Raja Dashratha had to send off his beloved Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita to 14 years of exile.
Now let's see what happened after that.
In the forest, Rama and Lakshmana were making a cottage for themselves.
At that time, Shurpanakha, who was Ravana's sister, came there as a beautiful woman. And she says to Rama,
You look angelic. I will marry only you.
looking at her audacity, Lakshmana gets angry and says,
You wicked creature! What are you talking? He has already been married to Mata Sita.
Hearing this, Shurpanakha gets very angry and turns into her demonic self.
Ha 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 ha! I will kill her!
At that moment, Lakshmana attacks Shurpanakha with sword to save Sita and cuts her nose. Hurt and angry Shurpanakha runs away from there. Offended Shurpanakha reaches Lanka and complains to her brother Ravana.
See, Bhaiya, what those cruel brothers have they done to me?
Ravana gets enraged upon hearing what happened.
How dare they? They have provoked my anger. Don't worry, sister. I will teach them a good lesson.
To avenge his sister's insult, Ravana sends his uncle Marich towards Rama's abode as a beautiful golden deer. Sita gets mesmerized on seeing the golden deer and she asks Rama,
Oh, beloved Rama, what a lovely golden deer. Would you please bring it for me?
Rama tells Sita,
Yes, of course, Sita. I will get it for you.
Saying this, Rama goes after the deer to catch it for Sita. After some time, Sita and Lakshmana hear Rama crying for help.
Sita! Sita! Lakshmana! Lakshmana!
Sita panics upon hearing Rama's voice and says,
Hey Narayan, is my Swami fine? Bhaiya Lakshman, please go and look for your brother.
but Lakshmana laughs it off, saying,
Don't worry, Maya. He will be safe. No one can harm Bhaiya Ram.
But Sita insists that he should go and ensure his brother's well-being.
Maya, I am drawing this line near the hut. No matter what happens, please do not cross the line. And if anyone tries to do so, he will turn into ashes.
Saying this, Lakshmana departs in search of Rama. As soon as Lakshmana departs, clever Ravana comes there as a monk. On seeing Yogi, Sitaji tells him,
Hey Munivar, please accept these fruits.
but shrewd Ravana saw the Lakshman Rekha and he pretended to be very angry.
Devi, you are offending me. If you want to give the fruits, then come out and give me. Otherwise, I'll learn empty-handed.
Sita gets worried on hearing this.
No, Munivar.
Nervous and confused, Sita crosses the Lakshman Rekha to save the family pride and Sadhu's honor. But suddenly,
No, who are you?
because of
Leave
you,
me.
my
Leave
sister
me.
was insulted.
Swami,
I will take you.
what are you doing?
So, the story is not over yet, but I want to see how many of you are listening carefully. Okay, now tell me, if you were listening the story, how many sons did Raja Dashrath have? Can somebody answer?
3.
3 sons.
4.
बेटे थे 4
4 sons. Yes.
4
4.
सही कह रहा
4.
And he had
इनका
3
सही कह रहा सही
Ranis.
रहा
Okay. So which kingdom's princess was Sita?
प्रिंसेस ऑफ सीता मुझे याद आ गया मतलब प्रिंसेस ऑफ सीता क्या कौन थे
कौन से किंगडम
रावण के बेटे
कौन से किंगडम की कौन से राज्य
और
की
रावण का बेटा
नहीं
मिथिला।
किसने देखा मिथिला यस मिथिला किसने आंसर किया
मिथिला
आंसर दिस
मिथिला
okay somebody's mom has helped
मिथिला
okay something easy who was Shurpanakha
रावण सिस्टर
very
रावण
good.
सिस्टर
Okay and who did Shurpanakha want to marry
रामा
very good okay and to avenge his sister who did Ravana send And as whom near Ram's kutia, whom did Ravana send?
Sahil. Marich.
As
As a beautiful golden deer.
yes,
मतलब golden deer.
golden deer. Very good. And what did Lakshman do to ensure Sita's safety while he was gone?
He was gone.
Draw
मुझे याद नहीं.
Lakshman Rekha.
Wow, you all were listening very nicely. Very good. So, who came as Sadhu?
Ravana.
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 And
Ravana.
what did he do when Sita crossed the Lakshman Rekha?
बताओ
He
सीता
turned
क्रॉस.
into true self.
Get out.
What did Ravana do?
He took her.
Turned into the true
Turned into Ravana.
his true self and took her, kidnapped her.
Yeah, wonderful. So, now let's see what happened after that. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's go back on the music.
One or two more.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
And let's all mute ourselves again and see what happened after that. Are you ready? Let's go.
After some time, Rama and Lakshmana returned to their cottage. But Sita was nowhere to be seen. Sad and distressed brothers immediately move in search of Sita, and they meet in Jatayu on the way.
Ram.
Jatayu tells them,
Hey Prabhu, Ravan has abducted Mata Sita and taken her to Lanka.
Continuing their journey to Lanka, Rama and Lakshmana meet Hanuman and his Vanar Sena near the vast ocean and narrated whatever happened, and they seeked his help to reach Lanka.
Hey Prabhu, we will need to build a bridge to cross the enormously vast ocean.
That bridge is popularly known as Ram Setu.
Prabhu, Ram Setu is ready. Let's proceed and bring Mata Sita from sinful Ravan.
And the historic war began.
In war, Kumbhakarna, Meghnad and his demonic army were destroyed by Rama, Lakshmana and their Sena.
Ravan gets very agitated and moves to battleground to combat Rama.
Rama and Ravana engage into a ferocious battle. And ultimately, Lord Rama defeated unvirtuous Ravana.
With the demise of mighty Ravana, good prevailed over evil.
Okay, everyone. So now we know why do we celebrate Dussehra. So you like the story? Yes or no?
Yes, yes मैम, बताऊं दुशहरा इसलिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं because कुंभकर्ण, रावण, मेघना, क्योंकि वो मर गए थे.
Acha. And tell me, who did Ram Lakshman meet first when they went in search of Sita?
उन्होंने सीता से
Jatayu. Yes, very good. And what did Jatayu tell Ram? जटायु ने राम को क्या बताया?
He told Ram that Sita Maiya crossed the Lakshman Rekha and Ravan kidnapped her, took her
Wow.
away to his.
Wow, Ananya, very good. And where did Ram Lakshman go to get Sita? To which place? Lanka. Wonderful. And how did they cross the ocean?
By a bridge made up of rocks.
Rocks. And what was the bridge called?
Ram Setu.
Yes, Ram Setu. And so who all were killed by Ram and Lakshman?
Ram.
Ram and Lakshman ने किसको मारा?
Ravan.
राम एंड लक्ष्मण ने किसको मारा था?
Ravan.
And perfect.
रावण.
So Meghnad, Kumbhakarn and Ravan. These were killed. Yes, very good. That is why we burn their putlas. What is it called? I don't know. It is we burn them on the occasion of the Dussehra. है ना? Okay. So moving ahead from the story, let's now make the Ravan's putla to burn it on the Dussehra. Are you all ready? No? No one is ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to pin the screen, and if somebody is missing, please pin the screen of my own space. You will see a name by my own space. Please pin it, and then we will be starting with the craft.
ओके समझ गई.
Okay, can everybody see now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's start.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, get 4 disposable glasses. And 4 colors of glaze papers. The glaze papers have been cut into half. Okay, so you can cut the glaze papers into half. So we will start by one, and Mama will help us in cutting the glaze papers, okay? So take the first glass and we have to cover it up with a glaze paper. So we will first put the Fevicol on the glass vertically and put the paper. We will stick the paper from one end on the glass. Now we will tightly roll it so that we can get a neat finish. And yes, you can see it. It is neatly coming out. So you have to pull it a little tight and diagonally paste it so that we get a clean finish over the glass. and then you stick the other end. Done? So we have covered the paper, glass with the glazed paper. Is everyone able to do? You can unmute yourself now. Can you do?
कवर करने के इसको अंदर से भी करना है कवर
नहीं, अंदर से नहीं करना बेटा, ओनली आउटसाइड, बाहर से.
और मुझे बात करनी चाहिए
अंदर से it is still white. We have not covered it. So we will cut out the extra glazed paper. From both the sides. Okay. And then we put vertical cuts because we have to fold the paper. So for folding, we need to put the vertical cut so we can fold easily. And then inside, we are going to put the Fevicol so that we can stick the glazed paper. And very neatly, we are going to fold it inside. So if you cut it, you can fold it easily. Otherwise, it will be difficult to fold the whole glazed paper.
मैम
Done. Similarly, on the other side, we are going to put the vertical cuts. And we put the Fevicol. And then again, fold the extra paper. Is everyone able to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you see it has come out beautifully neat. We are going to cover 3 glasses with glazed papers of different colors. So we are taking magenta, yellow and green. If you have these 3, you can take these 3 or you can take any papers of your color. So quickly we will cover the other glass also. We have to make 3 like that. To stabilize it, you can also put the extra disposable glass inside so that it gets stuck easily. Like this, you can leave it for some time so the extra glazed paper will get stuck to the glass easily. And meanwhile, we can cover the other glasses. So like this, we have magenta ready. And now we are going to make our yellow one also ready. So do we have Ayansh with us? Ayansh, yes. Ayansh, are you there? Okay. So will you sing the song for us now or later? We are waiting for you.
Do you want to sing now? Ayansh, we shall overcome song. You want to sing now? Ma'am is asking. Do you want to sing now? Right now or afterwards? We'll sing it now. Ayansh will sing it now. Yes?
Let's have the song from Ayansh then. And meanwhile, everyone can cover the glasses.
Ayansh.
Ma'am, we want to cover 3 glasses or 4 glasses.
गाना है.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aaron Trinton, going to sing. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. We shall integrate. We shall integrate. We shall integrate someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall integrate someday. We will walk hand in hand. We will walk hand in hand. We will walk hand in hand someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace.
We
will walk hand in hand someday. Thank you. I are participants.
Very good, Ayansh. So everyone, can we give a big round of applause to Ayansh? Lovely.
Ma'am, can I sing also too?
Yes, please go ahead. First, tell us your name. Vansh. Okay, Vansh.
Start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome one day.
Very good. Very good, Vansh. Very nice. Clapping for Vansh, everyone. He sung so well.
Clap करो वंश के लिए.
Good one.
Clap.
So anyone else
for Vansh.
like to share poems or some lines or
Thank
any
you.
song? Welcome. So shall we proceed with the craft then? Okay. So I hope all of you have now prepared the 3 glasses. Okay. So now going ahead, we will take one straw. We are making the hands now.
Ma'am, I'm not
Sorry, somebody was saying something.
done.
You have done. Very.
I'm not done.
You have not done. Okay. So how much is left? Can Mama help you? Okay, ask Mama to help you. Thank you. So we take the straw and we will be making the hands of Ravana with that. So you're going to apply the glue on the half cut glazed paper and we put the straw and then we are going to roll it so that we will cover the straw in glazed paper. And cut out the extra glazed paper. So we're going to tightly roll it up. Okay. Apply the glue or the Fevicol and tightly roll the paper on the straw.
Ma'am, can you repeat how to make
Sorry, how to?
make
I can't understand, baby. Okay, so now we will take the golden paper and cut it out into a rectangle piece. Okay, and we will draw the circle. If you have the circle already, the bangle sides cut out that we had asked you to keep prepared, so you can use that one. This circle we are making for the shield of Ravana. So if you have that, so you can use that cut out only. Or you can make the circle and cut it out like that. Yes, very good, Mishka. On another piece of golden paper, we are going to draw the sword. Because in one hand, Ravana is holding the sword and in the other hand, he is holding the shield. So we will draw the sword. You can draw any design. Okay.
Is this cup fine?
Yes, it is fine. So we will make the sword and again cut it. So we have the straw for the hands and a circle cut out for the shield and a sword for holding it in both the hands of Ravana. Next, we will take the straw and apply Fevicol on the circle cut out in the center, a vertical line in the center, and put the one end of straw on the circle cutout so that it will get stuck on it. For the sword, it might not stand if the paper is not thick, so you can just put one toothpick or a very small piece of any stick.
We should draw the sword on the golden circle.
No. We need circle and we need some more golden paper for the sword. And on the other side, we will paste the sword. So in one hand, Ravan is holding the sword and in the other, he is holding the shield. And we will keep it to dry. Can you see everyone? on the straw, one side shield and the other side sword. And we are going to keep it on one side to dry. Next, we will take a pink strip or a white strip, anything that you have. So we will cut them in two strips. So we are telling you the dimension as per the disposable cups that we have. You can make it small or bigger according to the cups available with you. So for us, we're taking the measurement of 4 centimeters width and 3 centimeters. Okay, we will draw the line. So where we have to cut it. How many heads did Ravana have? Does anybody know? 10. Very good. So we are going to make 10 heads and we will make it in 3 parts. We will make 4 on one strip, 5 on one strip and one big center mark. So the width of each small head of Ravana will be 3 centimeter. So you put a mark on 3 centimeter and then you need to make a line so we can fold it around. And then you will fold. So one fold represents one head. So we're going to keep one head extra because we will be pasting. Okay. So for we will make 5 heads and 6 heads. You will fold 5 times. So how many heads have we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, we also have to prepare another cutout of 6 heads. Okay. Now, how to make the heads? So we are going to again roll it up and we will draw the shape of the head. First, we make the points. So 2 markings on each side and then we will join by making a semicircle, both above and below. And we're going to cut it. Cut along the semicircular lines. You see, you have the heads ready. Likewise, we are going to cut another strip. So with 6 heads. So we have one with 5 heads and other one with 6 heads. So we are making more because we are going to paste them up.
Mom, how to make them?
We just showed you, you have to roll the paper. You have to take the strip and then you have to fold it as per the size of one head. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Then ऐसे गोल गोल रोल इट रोल इट रोल इट रोल इट रोल इट। आपने बुद्धू बनना है। जब मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा था तो आपको मैं बुद्धू लग रहा। यू भी बुद्धू लग रहा। थोड़ा बड़ा नाम ना है। Mom, is this short 5? Oh my
It
God,
is
what's
very
this?
nice.
Once mom देख लेगी जल्दी से इसे बोलना दिख रहा है। अरे
Okay, so we have the cutouts. Now we will make the face. We also need the bigger cutout, pink cutout or a white one. Do you have it ready? Like the golden cutout, we had to cut out. If not, you can make a circle on a pink sheet or a white sheet and cut it. This will be the main center face of Ravan. So now we will start drawing the faces. First, make the boundary of the face with a black sketch pen. Now we will make the eyes and the eyebrows. We've made the eyes. Then we make the nose. And mustaches. So make a circle, then a semicircle, again a small semicircle and full circle. This you have to do with black pen. And with the red pen, we are going to make the lips of Ravana and a tika on his head. Okay. Likewise, we will make it for all the faces.
Ma'am, then you can before only draw the face and cut it out.
Sorry?
You can when you cut the face of the circle or when you fold the paper, then only you should have drawn the face.
Okay, you can do it that time, ma'am. But cutting time, we cannot draw actually. But you can do any way it is convenient for you, no problem.
Yeah.
For the other side also, same way, we are going to make the boundaries and the faces.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is your name Neha?
Yes, my name is Neha.
Ma'am, you're my mother's best friend.
Yes, your mom is my best friend.
Sakshi.
Yes, I know. I know Mishka and Ananya both are doing.
Note करना है आपको?
So we will make the faces 4 and 5. One face you can leave it out. Because we will be pasting it and it will go underneath the main face of Ravan. Now we will take the main center face and again draw the eyebrows, eyes and his nose and lips same way as we did. With a red pen, you make the lips and the tilak over Ravan's head. So now we have all the faces ready. You can see we have all the faces ready. 10 heads of Ravana. Okay. Now we will keep them. Now we are going to paste them. So you have to flip the main center head and flip all the faces. And on one side we are going to paste 4. The other side we are going to paste 5. So carefully we are going to stick the faces. Both the sides we are going to apply the glue. And we stick them behind the Ravana's face. You see we have big head of Ravan ready with 10 heads.
Ma'am,
Yes,
very nice.
thank you. So to support this, we are going to put a stick behind because otherwise it will not stay. So a thin stick, you can take, apply the glue. And we will stick it behind to keep all the heads straight and stable. And we will leave it to dry for some time.
Ma'am, what are we going to do with the cups?
Yes, we are coming to the cups now. So you take one of the cups. We are going to take the green one. You can take any color you like. If you have used the same color scheme, so you go for the green. And the straw that we had prepared, you need to stick it on the towards the open end of the green glass.
हेलो नेहा मैम, तानिया।
हाँ जी मैम।
हाँ, मैं तो अभी ये सब मटेरियल्स नहीं है, तो इसका रिकॉर्डेड सेशन मुझे मिलेगा तो बाद में मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ।
Ma'am, recording we're not sure yet. We will let you know in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
So we will stick the hands of Ravan on the green cup and on the open side. You have to take care that on the upper edge. So the glass has two ends, the closed and the open one. Towards the open end, you have to put the straw like this. And we will keep it aside so that it can dry. Now we're going to again, we will make the crown of Ravan. So you have the golden sheet with yourself. First cut out a rectangle out of it. And on the back side, we are going to draw a crown. And you can then cut it out. Like this. And we're going to paste this on the head of Ravan. You see our Ravan's heads are ready. Now we are going to compile everything and make the Ravan together. So you have your green cup with the hands ready. You have your base cup. And yes, first we are going to we will take the yellow cup and stick the face on them. We take the yellow cup and we're going to stick Ravan's faces. Now you have to take care that you stick it towards the closed end.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, is it okay if I paint the glasses? Ma'am,
Yes. You can paint the glasses, no problem. Now we are going to stick the Ravan's head on yellow paper cup. On the closed side, top edge, you're going to paste it. You see, Ravan's head is ready. Now we are going to join all the cups together. So first we have the magenta one on the top rim, on the bottom rim, sorry, not the top one. You have to invert the glass and you have to place the green one on top of it. So see the joining carefully so that you can form the stable Ravan. Again on the bottom rim, you are going to stick them together.
Ma'am, this is the same which Ravan you are making. That is the same Ravan you showed us in the story.
Yes, it is the same Ravan.
ma'am, actually telling I don't have glasses, ma'am. I only have cups like this.
No problem, ma'am. Anything, if you are not able to make it right now, you can make it and share the video with us. We would really like to see what kids have created.
Yeah.
So we have the body of Ravan ready, and we are going to join the head now. You put the Fevicol on the open rim. And we join it on top of the green cup. Very gently, otherwise you might just squeeze them. You see, this is our Ravan ready. So all of you can make this. If you're not able to finish it right now, no problem. You can record the videos, make it at home, and then you can share with us. Has everyone seen it? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So now I hope you all like the session, the story, and the craft. And I know it is maybe you were not able to complete the craft side by side. So you please record the videos and share with us. You can share with us on the group, or you can share it with me personally, and we would like to see it. All right. So any kid who would like to share something with us, any song, poem? All of them are busy making craft. All right. So we take that from you, and hopefully soon. Yes.
Look, I want to sing a song.
Oh, please go ahead.
I'm a tear clock. Okay, key head. Smile. Cheese. Hey, where's the farm? Where's the farm?
You want to sing?
One no. E F D G.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. No, what shape is it? I'm going
Okay. You want to sing or not?
No. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Won't even hurt. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, dear, with my arms, I do believe we will that we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome some. We will walk hand in hand. We will walk hand in hand. We will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, dear, with my arms, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We believe in peace. We believe in peace. We believe in peace someday. Oh, dear, with my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, dear, with my heart, I do believe
And we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. Thank you.
Very good, Rishan. Very good. A wonderful song. So, kids, give
Thank
me the
you,
clap for
ma'am.
him, right? Very good. So, with this, we come to an end of this session and we see you very soon, hopefully for Diwali. So, thank you everyone for joining in. It was wonderful having you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.